Yes, everyone, it's Let's Boredom and welcome to my latest video. And today I'm going to make an experiment. It is not an experiment which will go for only one day, it will go for a whole month. I'm not going to shave the whole November through. aka no shave November. I thought even about doing the Movember, but the problem is I really don't like mustaches. I want to do this experiment because a friend of mine suggested me that I should do this video, and because I'm also curious how my beard will look like after 1 month. This is approximately after 4 days, but to be honest with you, I have no idea how it will look like after 1 month. It's the first time that I will do it. Usually I shave myself all the time clean every 3 or 4 days, and that's the way how I prefer it. And now I want to see how it will look like after 1 month, and because today it's the 31st of October, I'm going to shave right now because tomorrow I'm not allowed to shave myself. Here I am shaved, totally clean. Actually you cannot see a lot because there's not a lot to see, but hopefully you're going to see more by the end of the month, or better said, in this case, in the end of the video. I'm going to make every single day a selfie, and I will make a time-lapse of every selfie, and make every single week a video where I'm making a statement to say how it developed, how it looks like, and so on. Stay tuned and you will see how the journey is going to be in No Shave November. Hi guys, it's me again, 15th of November, halfway through the challenge, and as you can see, the beard has grown quite a bit. I think I'm pretty happy with the result, because especially here where usually nothing is growing, it grew quite a lot, and down here as well, and here on the side too. I'm pretty happy with the result, and I'm going to continue the challenge. How does it feel? Well, it feels itchy. That's one thing what I can say for sure, but I got an easy fix for this, and this is facial cream, because this is helping me a lot to reduce the itchiness of my beard. And also I think that it will be a good idea to see how it will look at the end, but for now I will continue with my selfies every day and see how it will develop over the time. Also, one thing what happened was that my mom also spoke to me, and she was like pretty surprised that I did this challenge, and she begged me to shave myself because it doesn't look good on me, and I have to agree on her. I really don't like the beard. I really like clean shaved Vlad more than Vlad who has a beard, but some other people told me, well, continue growing with it. Maybe you will get the desired results later. It's a little bit too early to know it, and I will continue doing this because I really want to see how my beard looks like in No Shave November. So stay tuned and watch the video until the end. My t-shirt says, "Just do it." And I did it. As you can see, it's the 2nd of December, and to be honest with you, actually I wanted to shave it off yesterday, but I didn't come to the end that I make a video, and I'm doing it for you today. And as you can see, I grew here on the sides quite a lot, what I actually didn't expect. Here below it also looks pretty good. It's not pretty dense, like here I got a little bit more than here. I like this part here, it didn't grow a lot either, but it still looks pretty good. Here I got for some reason more than on this side. That's what I really don't like. And on this side, well, no words left, just like on the other side, it looks better and it grew a lot. But what am I going to do with this beard? And I can tell you, I still don't like beards. It takes a whole of a lot to grow them. They are quite itchy when they're growing as well. But in my case, it's just a lot more care, and I already have to take care about my teeth and about some other things. And so I suggest now I'm going to shave off my beard right now in front of the camera. I actually didn't use this shaver for a pretty long time, and I really can't wait to use this one too. So let's see how the shaving will be. I haven't grown a beard longer than, let's say, at max 10 days. So here we go. Just look at this amount of hair when I just shaved this part off. It's totally insane. Oh my god, just look at it. So much facial hair in the sink. I'm going to get rid of it and then I'm going to show you the result, how my face looks like right now. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. It looks now clean AF again. Just as usual, how I prefer it the most. You know, the biggest issue was why I didn't have it was because here at the mustache part, this part was quite a bit shorter than with this one here. I decided just to shave it off, and also because I like to touch my skin when it is as soft as possible, and this is the best when it is shaved. And now I look like 17 again, not like 23. I would like to know your opinion in this poll right here. Do you like me with a beard better or no? Also write me in the comments if you have some feedback for me, because I'm not an experienced beard grower and I'm not really fond of beards, and if you are, you can give me some tips or give me some other things what you can give me on the way. We came here until the end. That was it from my side. I hope that you really enjoyed the video. Leave me a like if you came until this point so far, and also if you really enjoyed the video too. I already said that you should write me a comment, so please do that. I would really appreciate that. Also, don't forget to subscribe me because you should not miss any of my future videos. Do you want to stay in touch with me? My Instagram account and my Discord server are both linked into the description below. Stay tuned and I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye!